Right guys, this is the Audi S5 that's coming today for the major service and inspection. Beauty. Let's take her inside and let's start the work. Genuine parts have arrived for the Audi S5. Time to grab them and fit them. Well, I've got the original parts for the Audi S5 now. Got the air filter, got the 6 plugs, got the oil filter. I've got the oil, OW20, genuine long life oil, and the cabin filter. Takes 7.5 litres, but I've got 10. And let's start the work on her. Just want to show you the air filter, guys. Look at that. That is awful. Good thing he's servicing it today. New air filter installed now. Can put that back together. Looks better, doesn't it? Now it's time to do the passenger side spark plugs. It's got the ECU here, so we need to push that one side and try and access here. Right, now it's time to do the oil filter, this one here. What we normally do is loosen it, don't take it fully out, and lift it up and start draining the oil. So let's loosen it. Nice and loose, let the air go inside. That's it. Open the cap now. Okay, now let's lift it up and do the oil change. Alright, taking the Audi up now. Right, to remove the oil, we have to undo this big cover, and I'm going to give it a full vehicle inspection after as well. Right, the bottom covers are open now. This is a sump nut. We're going to remove this one and drain the oil. Right, draining the oil now. Other garages just pull it from the top of the oil, but we'll physically drain it from the bottom. It takes about 10 minutes extra taking covers off, but at least the job's done properly. After we've drained the oil, we'll bring it down, change the filter, and then we put the brand new OW20 oil in. Right, the vehicle's down. We're going to remove the oil filter now and replace it with a new one. We'll put in a disposable bag. The new one's here. Also, it's got a rubber ring seal, as you can see. We'll replace that with a new one from Audi. Make sure you put a little bit of oil in it, because when you tighten it, it wouldn't pinch. That's it. Put it in. And on it, got the torque newton meters, as you can see, 25 newton meter torque. That's it. Done. Now it's time to add the oil. Now putting in the genuine OW20 oil. Silly design of the box, but they do that to recycle. Green oil. Now everyone's going to be confused. Why is it green? It's because it's OW20. You've got 7.5 litres, that's what this engine takes. Yeah, now we're going to start. Everything running smooth, idling straight. Time to bring it down, do the inside cabin filter and reset the inspection lights. Right, time to do the inside cabin filter. Location's right here underneath, as you can see here. Got to remove that one and replace it with the new one. Remove the cabin filter, as you can see how bad it is. Look at the inside. Cabin filters are very important. It's good for clean air system inside the cabin. We'll replace it with a new genuine one.